And there's all my babies out here. They're all taking a nap. Oh, there's Tessa and Wild Thing and BJ. The whole gang's hanging out right here. And then over here, we got Tipper sleeping on his big red pillow. And we got Badette sleeping in the red chair. Yeah, everybody's having nap time at the old corral. Yeah, is that my Badette? Yeah. Oh, she's got itch. And there's the wild boy. Yeah, where is he? Where is he? There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There, miss. Okay, they're up moving around now. The natives are restless. Except for Tippers. Tippers is still taking a nap, huh, Tippers? You're still taking a nap? Oh, big yawn. Hi, Tippers. Hi, honey. Just go away and leave me alone. I'm napping. Yeah. Say night-night. Yeah. Oh, big yawn. Oh. Nice and comfy. He loves to have his tummy rubbed. Badette, what are you doing? Yeah? Just being a good girl for once? You being a good girl for once, huh? Where's my Badette? Badette. It's getting cold out here, guys. Yeah, it's getting a little windy. Someone might fall. Yeah, we're even starting to get leaves out here, huh? Yep. Okay. And there's my Tessa, my beautiful girl. Yes, it is. Hi, Wild Thing. Oh, there he goes, right in front of the camera. And there's my gorgeous BJ. Yeah, that mama's gorgeous BJ. Yeah, my baby. That's my prince. Yeah, that mama's prince. Yeah.